Hi everyone, I'm back. It's time for another video. This time we're going to talk about how to delete items and then restore them. So, first things first, let's delete some things. In my folder here, you might remember this folder from when I was moving pictures into these folders. Say I did a little snafu and I accidentally deleted one of these folders. So, here's how you might delete something. There's about 3 ways to do that. The first one, really simple. You hit the delete key on your keyboard and it's gone. But where did it go? So, let's find out. Whenever you delete something on your computer, it will go into what's called your recycle bin. And your recycle bin lives on your desktop. So mine is up here in the upper left hand corner. Let's move it down a little bit so you can see it. And it looks like a little trash can. And it just says recycle bin. Now, whenever you're ready to bring something back because you accidentally deleted it by accidentally either hitting the delete key on your keyboard or however, it'll go here. Now, I have a bunch of things in here because I don't usually empty my delete folder. Because sometimes I change my mind about whether or not I want to actually delete something. So my items have been in here for quite a while. Looks like since April 8th might be the last time something was in here. So it's sorted. Oh, it's sorted. Let's see. But since I deleted something today, it's right here. So that's that entire folder I just deleted. Now, say you're in here and you're looking for something specific, but you can't quite remember the date. You do have the option of a ribbon in your recycle bin where you can change the view of that folder. So if I click on that view tab, I'm in the details view. But if I need to see the icons or if I need to see large icons to tell what that item is, so that way I can restore it, you do have that option as well. So let's leave these as large icons. And so there's my folder I need right there. So if I go back to my recycle bin tools, you'll see I have some options. I can empty my recycle bin, look at my recycle bin properties, restore all items, so that's everything in that entire recycle bin, or restore the selected items. Since I only need this one folder so I can show you how to delete it again, I'm going to restore the selected item. And it's gone. But where did it go? So, let's find out. That particular document was in my pictures folder, and you'll see it's right back in the same location where it started, to where I can delete it again. So, way number 2 of deleting something, you can right click on that item, and in the context menu, select delete, and it's gone. That could have been you accidentally clicked on that and you meant to do something else. So here's how to get it back. Let's go back to our recycle bin. Let's go up to view. Let's click large. Let's do medium icons. Details. Date deleted. It took a little while for it to refresh, but you'll see it's back there at the top, where I can go ahead, click on that folder, and click restore the selected item. Which, like a game of hide and seek, it's back where it started. And we didn't panic. Good job, everybody. Way number 3. That same folder, I'm just abusing it. In your ribbon, in the organize section, you have this delete option. You can also do is showing you a Control D keyboard shortcut to delete something. I usually just use the delete key to delete certain things, certain items, or I can do this big red X that's up here. But you'll notice it has a little drop down where it'll let you recycle that item, which will move into the recycle bin, or permanently delete it. You probably don't want to do that. But if you went ahead and were like, I'm just going to go ahead and recycle it, it put it in the recycle bin. So let's go back. Now you might have a few questions about your recycle bin because a lot of people aren't quite sure what happens when something goes to the recycle bin. All the recycle bin does is it's just like your trash can in your house. It's going to keep whatever you delete until it gets full. But how do you know what that is? So in the recycle bin tools tab, you'll see it says recycle bin properties. You'll click on that one time and it'll tell you a little bit about your recycle bin. It'll tell you how much space you have available and what the maximum size for your recycle bin will be before it'll start permanently deleting items to make more room for more items. You can have that toggled on, and you can change this number here if you know. I leave it at the default because I'm not trying to make it more or less. It keeps quite a bit of files, so there's no need for me to make that smaller or larger. Now you could have it to where if you're running out of space on your computer and if you're deleting things you just want them to be deleted, you could make it to where the files don't stop here first before they're permanently deleted. They can just be automatically deleted and then they're wiped when your computer restarts. You can choose that option too. But your recycle bin is going to keep holding anything you delete until it reaches a maximum size. So I'm going to cancel out of that. I found my folder. I want to go ahead and restore it one more time and put it back where it belongs. Let's check, make sure it's safe. And that's it. So that's how you can delete. There's 3 ways. You can use your keyboard, you can right click, or you can use your ribbon to delete things and restore them back out of your recycle bin if you need to do that as well. So that's it. Have a good day.